Hey everybody, welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. And today we're going to be playing around with some SuperClean. Now I want to apologize right off the bat because the sun is in my face and so I'm squinting at the camera. We are going to be seeing how well we can clean this engine. Now this is a straight 6 out of a GM, an older engine. We wanted to see how aggressive of a mess SuperClean can actually take care of, where we don't really get engines this dirty. Even if we get a BMW that hasn't really been taken very well care of, they're never coming to us looking like this. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna play with a couple products. We're gonna play with the original SuperClean. We're gonna play with the original SuperClean that's in the aerosol can. And then we wanna play with the SuperClean, the foaming. So we're gonna see how well we can clean this up. It doesn't have to be exact on this engine. We're not doing this to make sure it's completely and utterly spotless, because it is actually being taken over to a machine shop. So they're going to be doing a lot of cleaning on it while they are going through and doing some rebuild stuff on it. So we want to just kind of get it all cleaned up. We're going to be putting this in the back of the truck and taking it over there. But before we do that, we're going to play around. So one of the reasons why we're showing off SuperClean is because we're actually doing a giveaway for them. We've mentioned it in a couple videos. We're going to be announcing that here in a couple weeks. All you have to do to be part of that giveaway is follow us at Tenza_Motorsports. Follow us on Instagram, and that's where we're going to be doing all of our giveaways from here on out. So all you have to do is follow us on there to be part of any future giveaways. So with that being said, let's get into this engine and see how clean we can make it before we take it over to the machine shop. All right, we're about an hour later. Sun is still in my face. We actually are very happy with the way that this has turned out. We've played with this for about an hour, and it's not perfectly clean, but for just doing a hand wash, a sponge bath basically, it's turned out really well. The SuperClean was actually pulling off the bad paint. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of different paint colors. We're thinking originally the paint was kind of a gray, and then somebody painted it orange and somebody painted it blue, and it's pulled the blue off and then the orange all the way down to the gray. So we're not sure how many times this thing's been painted, but SuperClean has definitely gone through, cleaned up all the oil that was on here pulled off all the big chunks of grease and that kind of stuff, and it actually started to pull the paint off as well. And that goes back to another topic that we've talked about several times on the channel, that when you're using SuperClean, you want to make sure that you dilute it to your project. If you just straight up use SuperClean on your leather seats, you're going to ruin the interior of your car or your couch or whatever you're using it on. So you want to make sure that you're really careful about that, because this right here proves the point that this stuff is very strong, very powerful. So if you want to earn yourself a box of supplies from SuperClean, all you have to do is follow us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports, where we will be announcing the winner of the giveaway here in just a couple of weeks. Thanks everybody so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new, and we will see everybody in the next video. So all you have to do to be a part of that giveaway is follow us on Instagram at Tenza_Super_Motorsports. My foot hurts.
You're gonna have to put this in the outtake.
I know. I'm so scatterbrained right now, dude.